Working with scientific imaging or graphics development and have a raw PPM file? This is an uncompressed pixel format common in image processing pipelines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you use these raw Portable Pixmap image files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical raw PPM data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A raw.ppm file is an uncompressed image file based on the Portable Pixmap PPM format, part of the Netpbm standard. Users typically encounter this format in academic, scientific, or programming contexts where a simple, easily parsable image representation is needed without compression artifacts. The format is designed for maximum simplicity and portability. It consists of a plain text ASCII header specifying the P6 magic number, image dimensions, and max color value, followed by a raw binary stream of RGB pixel data. This design avoids complex parsing, making it ideal for scripting and data exchange. We suggest testing the raw.ppm file first with the utility Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows handles common raster formats natively, but complex edits need specialized image editors. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the raw PPM file and click Open with. Try launching with Adobe Photoshop first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If you cannot access the raw PPM file, no problem. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, opening with image viewers. Most image viewers like IrfanView, XNView, MP, and GIMP support PPM format natively. Open the raw PPM file directly in these applications for viewing. Some may require renaming the extension to .ppm if raw PPM is not recognized in their format associations. Next, converting with ImageMagick. Use ImageMagick command line to convert raw PPM to standard formats. Run convert input.ppm output.png to create a PNG version. ImageMagick handles both ASCII and binary PPM variants and supports batch conversion for processing multiple files efficiently in scripted workflows. Finally, editing in GIMP. Open the raw PPM file in GIMP for full editing capabilities. GIMP imports the pixel data preserving color information and allows complete image manipulation. Save in GIMP's native XCF format for layered editing or export to PNG, JPEG, or other standard formats for distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.